All right, I have a good authority that my wife might be in Redwood Creek. I think those guys over there told me. The two bears. Let's go check out Redwood Creek, shall we? And see if we can find Lee's. Here we go. Right turn. We're gonna turn right this time. Oh, we're going through a big tree. Ooh. It's all set up for Oogie Boogie Bash. That's what the candles are in there. Still no Lee's. Can't find Lee's yet. Maybe we can overlook this and maybe find her up here.
Godfather, come here now. I'm here. Up top. Up top. Up top, buddy. Down here.
Go down this slide again.
Lots of kids running around here. Unslide.
Bending us. You need a bubble this time. That's great.
Want to see some more wooden carvings, Walt? He's winking. He's winking at you. If I'm not found Lee's yet. Look at that one. He's oiling himself up in darkness. So don't forget to do that. I found the Tulio mouse. Hey, Tulio mouse. And the frog. I think I found where Lee's is, Ma. I'm just gonna go check it out. Lee's, are you in here? Oh, my back. Whoop. Lee's? Lee's? Whoa. Get Joel for that. No Lee's in there. We shall continue looking for her. Alright, I'm looking for Lee's, but I think I also can find out my spirit bear. Let's go check out the Spirit Bear Cave and see A, if I can find Lee's, or B, my spirit bear. Spirit animal, not bear. Maybe I'm a bear. Maybe that's why I keep saying bear. Or maybe I just want to be bear. Meet a bear. All right, here we go. See? Look at that. Done. I'm in the dark room. Ooh. Well, that was scary. All right, here we go. What's my spare bear baby? I'm an eagle. My spirit bear is an eagle. There's a bear in that corner, Mom. So, do you want us to check out yours? Here we go. All right. What way, Mom? You're a wolf.
I'm the wolf. Okay.
You're a wolf in sheep's clothing, Mom. And I think we better leave before that bear gets it. Uh-oh. There's another spirit animal. She's asking what her inner child is. It can't fool the spirit animal. And she's still a wolf. Alright, so we're exiting. Didn't find leads. Found out I'm not bear. I am clothes. But also I am an eagle. And Ma is a wolf. And her inner child is a wolf. So there you go. Who knew? She's a wolf in sheep's clothing. But no leads. Alright, well. Thanks for watching. Hopefully next time you'll see Lee's. Now she's calling me a moose.